All right, friends. So you should have already watched the video on have versus has. So now we're going to do a few of these together, and then I'll have you guys do some on your own. Make sure you put your name on top. So the verb have has two forms in the present tense. We use has when the subject is singular. So remember, singular means one. For example, our class has a weather station. So there's only one class, so that's why it's has. When the subject is plural, or I or you, use the form have. So remember, plural means more than one. Or if you're using I or you, both of those also are a have. So for example, Marta and Joe have boots. Marta and Joe are more than one person, that's why it's have. I have my umbrella. It uses I, so we use have. You have a scarf. It uses you, so we do have. So our first one, let's look at it. It says, I blank new boots. So remember our rule. If it uses I, we do have. I have new boots. All right, let's look at number 2. Matt blank a raincoat. So Matt is only one person. If it's only one person, what do we use? Has, right? All right, let's look at our next one. Lily and Jack blank wore mittens. Do we use has or have if it's two people? Good, have. All right, so now I want you to try the next 3 on your own. So you blank an umbrella, Sarah blank gloves, I blank a jacket with a hood. And then after you do that, you're going to write one sentence with has. So remember, has is what we use for singular for one subject. Write another sentence with have. Write them both on the lines below. So on 7, you're going to write a sentence that uses has, and on 8, you're going to write a sentence that uses have.